Following that, we are honored to invite our mentor, Rachana Ghimire ma'am, for a few words on women empowerment and women in physics. Please welcome Rachana ma'am on the stage.
Be the reason someone else believes in physics tomorrow. Good afternoon, everyone. It's an incredible honor to stand here today, not just as a physicist, but as a mentor, someone deeply committed to guiding the next generation, especially in the brilliant young women in this room who dare to question, imagine, and explore the universe. Let me begin by saying this: physics needs you, not just for diversity, not just to fill the numbers, but because the question we are asking today about the universe, matters, energy, space, and time cannot be fully answered without your voice, your perspective, your curiosity. You have limitless potentials. We have entered not just to learn physics, to change physics for the welfare of the society. We have to build ladder and bridges for ourselves to climb, and then we have to extend them for others too. Look at this tree. Marie Curie put the boundaries in both chemistry and physics. Then Mesa Rubin challenged scientific dogma and gave us dark matter. Chin Sun Hui did not just do nuclear physics, she corrected it. Many more. They did not wait for the permission. They redefined the rules, and now it's your turn. Women are often expected to balance multiple roles: the role of a daughter, of a wife, of daughter-in-law, and then of mother. And still, we are expected to excel in our career in physics and everything else what we do. Nature believes in us, so it has given us more responsibilities. But this is not a burden, it is a testament to check our strength. No matter what type of circumstances that you have been raised or have been experienced, you always have the ability to find a way towards the success. Let your curiosity be unshakable, be loud with your ideas, and when the world doubts you, let that fuel your determination, not define your limits. So go ahead, ask your questions, take up space in the lab, own your journey, and never ever let anyone dim the force of your mind. You are not just a part of physics, you are the force of physics. Thank you.
Okay, without any further delay, we now invite our chief guest, Professor Dr. Leela Pradhan ma'am, to the stage to share a few words with us.
First of all, good afternoon and namaskar to everybody. I feel very much honored and I'm very pleased to stand in front of you, even though I am not the expert on the topic organized for today's program. So it's a very from Einstein, all these space-time to quantum gravity, including black holes. This is not new, but what I like to say that it's not my expertise. So, first of all, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me to join this great and very interesting event. I heartily congratulate the organizer. So, main organizer is the physics and the reality club, who has become the recipient of the prestigious 2025 and the American Physical Society research this great grant. And so what I felt is this is a big and great milestone news for all of us. So all of us being the participants, I truly appreciate your hard work, effort, and the creativity, so that from the very early is this? So what I understand is it was established only in the 2022, right? So you are very young. So even though very young, so you have already received a grant. So it's a very appreciable and. With this grant, you organize this very most timely and exciting topic, that is the Einstein coordinate space time, and to have the deeper understanding of our universe. So what I feel is that organizing this kind of events definitely promotes the physics education and the research in the physics. For which, because I am a material scientist and we do the experimental work. So, and for the small time being, our previous speaker, Associate Professor Yogi is also, he is a very dynamic person and he did also the experiment with the material science also. I appreciate his efforts in that field also. So keeping up this, today's program itself is achieving a success on your mission and whatever we do research. So from my experience, the collaboration, without collaboration, you cannot enhance the research. So, as a professor of the physics, whether it is in the material science or in the space science or this cosmological field, we need the collaborators. And on the other hand, the physics and the reality. When I get the invitation from the Lamishhane yesterday, and I tried to look what is this club, what are they doing. So, and I saw it and I found that their mission is to motivate, encourage, and strengthen women in the physics across Nepal. And so parallelly, we have also so we all of us know that in Nepal, women in physics is a very low number. So the NSWIP, as the president of the NSWIP, we also collaborate, we also organize a kind of conferences, international as well as the national conferences, talk programs, and workshops, parallelly to motivate, encourage, and strengthen in the physics. So in that way, the NSWIP, that is a parallel organization of society with the physics and the reality program. So who always works not only to motivate, encourage, and strengthen the women in the physics. So overall conclusion, like our Yogi sir told us that for the overall development of the physics in Nepal, whether you do or I do, and so we do for the development of the physics in Nepal. And I would like to thank all the speakers, especially our previous speaker, Yogi sir, who delivered lectures from the Einstein's coordinate space-time to quantum gravity, exploring black holes and the beyond, etc. So we are very enthusiastic to understand the stages and the main focus is the stages and the concept. How the concepts are generated, how the experiments will go with the theoretical. So, and we have also another speaker, and we are eager to listen him also to understand the theoretical or stages and the concepts behind it, the quantum mechanics, gravity, that connects the modern discoveries, and it's already explained by the so many research questions to be explored by our young generations. whether in the black holes or the cosmological structures, the knowledge gained from here. So after listening one talk, we have gained the knowledge, and that will definitely help us, especially to young generations, because you have already told that you have so many opportunities and scope to move in the right directions. So finally, thank you, Aasis, the organizer, and all attendees for your patience and then for your the great services. So, and MSWIP, President as well as the Professor of the Physics, I'm now working at the University. We also work at the same department. So I am ready to collaborate with the physics and the reality for the future programs, whether it could be in the area science or it could be because the physics. So what we say from the beginning is the study of the nature, and the nature always comes to the reality. So with this, once again, I would like to thank and say that best of luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your speech.